which is entering the final leg, and the high-octane triangular fight that rages a fair storm that has now erupted on one of the assets of the candidates, especially when it comes to the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal himself. Now, while the BJP has questioned the change in income during COVID, Aam Aadmi Party has raised the issue of surge in Pravesh Verma's assets as well. Now, Arvind Kejriwal, while filing the nomination for the upcoming elections, declared assets worth 1.73 crores, revealing that he owns neither a house nor a car and comprised only of one movable asset, that is a flat in Ghaziabad, which is worth 1.7 crores. The BJP, on the other hand, has raised questions on the change in Arvind Kejriwal's personal income, with the party state president criticizing the Aam Aadmi Party convener's sharp rise in income, and that too during the COVID period.
अरविंद केजरीवाल अपने इनकम का सोर्स सिर्फ अपनी एमएलए की जो उनको तनख्वाह मिलती है वो बताते हैं। उसमें 2020-21 में बिना कोई कारण, बिना किसी सोर्स के, क्योंकि आप कहते हैं मेरी तो तनख्वाह आती है सिर्फ, आपकी इनकम 2020-21 में 40 गुना कैसे बढ़ जाती है? क्योंकि 2020-21 में 19-20 के मुकाबले जहां 19-20 में 1,57,823 थी, 2020-21 में 44,90,040 रुपए कैसे हो जाती है? लेकिन ये भी संयोग है कि उसी समय आप और आपके शराब मंत्री बैठकर दिल्ली की शराब नीति बना रहे थे।
Now, as far as the nomination that has been filed by Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi seat, the BJP is pointing that there has been a sharp increase when it comes to his personal income is concerned. Let's put out as far as what is the details coming in over the annual income that has now been stated in Arvind Kejriwal's affidavit when it comes to the election affidavit that has been submitted in 2019-2020. We are looking at 1,57,823. Then this is the time period between 2020 and 2021, which is the peak COVID season that we are looking at, 44,90,640. Then we are looking at 1,62,976, 1,67,066, and 7,21,530. So this has been the period there from 2020 to 2021, which the BJP is now highlighting from 1,57,823. How did it go up to 44,90,640? Now, in the meantime, also talk about how the Aam Aadmi Party has countered the charges by the BJP, highlighting that Arvind Kejriwal is a Aam Aadmi who doesn't own a car or a house, and has questioned the BJP over 2,600% surge in the assets of its leader, which is Pravesh Verma, in the last 5 years. This is the counter that is now coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party side, saying that Pravesh Verma's assets has gone up and they have skyrocketed. In the meantime, let's also talk about when it comes to Pravesh Verma's election affidavit is concerned, from the assets that has now been declared by the BJP leader from 2020 to 2021, around 15.52 crores. From 2023 to 2024, it has gone up significantly to 150.63 crores. Now, this is the question wherein, as far as the election affidavit that has now been submitted by Pravesh Verma, that is now being questioned by the Aam Aadmi Party. Sabyasachi, good morning. Rise in income, rise in the assets, of course, the declaration that is a must in the election affidavit of the candidate who is contesting elections. Both sides now taking on each other.
Well, that's right. See, with the affidavit lying bare, now the financial status of the candidates are in question, and that has erupted into a war of words between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. Now the BJP has launched a sharp attack against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, stating that his salary, his income has increased 40 times to that was seen back in 2019 and 2020. Now we had seen that in the affidavit which has been declared by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, his income in the period of 20 to 21, which is the peak COVID time, it was around 44 lakhs. So that is the reason why the BJP has launched its attack on the Aam Aadmi Party and Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Whereas the Aam Aadmi Party has also retaliated, stating that the BJP should look into their own candidate, that is Pravesh Verma, because his income in the last 5 years has increased to 2,600 times than that of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, the BJP also said that the assets owned by Parvesh Verma is huge, and also the family assets is extremely high. So it's a classic example of hypocrisy. That's what the Aam Aadmi Party has hit back. Yesterday we had seen that Member of Parliament Sanjay Singh also hitting back at the BJP and the BJP candidate from the New Delhi constituency, Parvesh Verma.
Very much, Sabyasachi, for joining in. Of course, the Delhi dangle escalates as far as war of words that have now been taking place. And this current issue is in the rise of income or financial status of when it comes to the leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party and also from the BJP. With that, we head into a short break.